To create your own map, there's various tools that you can use to sketch on top of the layers on the map. We're going to go to the top left-hand corner of the screen to our toolbox, and we're going to open up two applications, our Measure toolbox and our Redline toolbox. If I push this minus button, I can collapse the toolbox just to make more room on the map. Hit the square buttons and it'll expand the tools again. The Redline and the Measure tools operate exactly the same, the difference being that the Measure tool will actually show you measurements in the units that you choose. So I'm going to select the line tool here. I'm going to select meters, and then I'm going to draw on the map from this building to the edge of the parcel by left clicking, double left click to finish, and it'll leave the line on the map showing the measurement in meters. If I select the polygon tool here on the measurement, I can change the fill opacity, so I'm going to make the polygon that I'm drawing see-through so that when I draw the polygon on the map, I can still see the layers below like the aerial photos. I'm going to change the color to gray, outline color stay red. I'm going to change this to meters, and we'll go acres. So again, just like the line tool, I left click to start drawing, and I'm going to draw this polygon around the perimeter of this building. Double left click to finish, and you can see we've got the perimeter and the area written on the map. With the Redline tool, we can add different features like points, text, change the size, the color. With this button here, we can highlight features on the map. So in this case, the map that I've drawn is on a specific parcel. So I just want to make it very clear to the viewer that this is the parcel that we're talking about. So I'm going to change the outline style to dash dot. So instead of just a solid line, I'm going to change the outline color to red. And I just want a perimeter around the parcel, so I'm going to change the fill opacity to completely see-through so we just have the boundary. Now you can see that the parcel is highlight. I'm going to left click, and then it draws a boundary around the parcel. And you can do that with any layer on the map. So now that we've got our map drawn out, we want to create a PDF of it. So I'm going to close these windows. I'm going to zoom in to the extent that I want of the map. I'm going to go up to the left-hand toolbox. I'm going to go to the print function. I'm going to put in a title, parcel map. Increase the size, no subtitle. We can zoom out a little bit, change the view of the map so that everything's in there. We can turn on north arrow, scale bar, legend. So with the legend, it's going to show all the layers that are currently turned on your map. And so we can go through and we can select what layers are going to appear. Most of the time you won't need to add a legend, but if you're showing things like water lines or water valves, the viewer of the map is not going to know what the symbols on the map mean, so it's a good idea to have your legend on there. For this map, I'm just going to keep title parcel on there so the viewer understands what those black lines are. Now that I'm done creating my map, I'm just going to select Create PDF. Once it's done loading, the button will appear to download the PDF. Then you can right-click, save as, whatever document type that you want.